Hi, this is Ed from End Result with Rusty here today. We're bringing you the box opening of the new Memphis 35-inch soundbar. This is 8 speakers, 2 tweeters, 200 watts, 400 watt max, made for the elements. First thing you're going to see here is this waterproof connector that goes on a very robust harness, and all the connections here out the side. We took off the plate here and all the connections behind the waterproof plate and inside here. So you've got, let me turn this sucker on for you. This is Memphis's Marine 2-zone radio with camera input. Very important camera input. As most places, most people that have a camera, camera input, you got to get into the menu. Here with Memphis, all you got to do is press the camera input, and there you go. There your camera. Look at Rusty moving around there. That's cool. That's enough of him. All right, so yeah, this is, I'm going to get into the menu here. First, let's tell you what you can do with this thing. AM, FM, USB input, aux input, camera input, FM radio, weather band. So that, lots of connectivity here. All right, let's get into the menu in this thing. So zone 1, zone 2, when you want to get into the bass and treble, you press in there. So you can make changes right on the fly, right there. You want to go back, press the menu button, subwoofer on or off, the beeps on or off, clock settings, language, area, United States, local, FM settings on or off, stereo mono, and it comes with a dimmer, which can go either low or high. So that's pretty much it. And I mean, what the thing sounds like is really what we're after here. So let's listen to this piece. You can do pause, play, fast forward, favorites. Oh yeah, there's the lights, which you can change the lights, what color they are from the side of the bar. Okay, or they can go change themselves. So what does this thing sound like? It's pretty loud. That's it. A 35-inch soundbar from Memphis. Kicks ass. Ed from End Result. Out.